Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Sony Xperia Z5 Premium to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. I already did that on Sony because it was taking forever to download, so I can open it right away. Just I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. So accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you need to select Send on Sony and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. Over here, as you can see, you need to just got it, and now we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!